Hey everyone! Today we're going to dive into the basics of boards and hardware. Boards and hardware are the fundamental building blocks of custom furniture. So it's really important to understand their properties. Let's start with an introduction to boards. A board is mainly made up of three parts: the surface layer, the core material, and the edge banding. To really get a sense of how a board performs, we need to look at four key things: the core material, the surface finish, the edge banding, and how eco-friendly it is. The core material is like the skeleton of the board. It determines the board's basic properties, like its strength and how well it resists moisture. The core materials you'll find on the market mainly include medium-density fiberboard, MDF, multilayer solid wood plywood, honeycomb board, particle board, moisture-resistant board, as well as straw board and block board. SUNPINA uses the first five. Each type of core material has its own unique characteristics and is suitable for different furniture needs. The surface layer is like the clothing of the board. It determines its appearance and how it feels, like its color and texture. These are the types of surface finishes included in SUNPINA's product system. The most common is melamine, which not only comes in a variety of colors and textures, but is also wear-resistant and scratch-resistant, making it especially suitable for families with children or elderly people. Edge banding is the edge treatment of the board. Good edge banding makes the board more durable and beautiful. We use German Rehau edge banding and Homag edge banding machines, so the edge banding quality is excellent, with fine seams and strong moisture resistance. The edge banding of the cabinet body uses EVA hot melt glue, which has strong adhesion and firm edge banding, in addition to aluminum edge banding and laser edge banding. Most of the door panels use PUR hot melt glue. PUR glue has better adhesion and more durable edge banding. Currently, only the cold white and elegant grey door panels in the flat series use laser edge banding, and the effect is more refined. Environmental protection is what everyone is most concerned about. The environmental performance of a board mainly depends on the amount of formaldehyde released. The less the better. The formaldehyde release of SUNPINA's boards is less than 0.012 milligrams per cubic meter, which is far lower than the national standard. And the environmental performance is very good. Next, we will introduce several commonly used core materials. First of all, Kangjing board. This is our environmentally friendly board, which has reached the new national standard ENF level, and has also obtained NAF formaldehyde-free exemption certification. It has an antibacterial rate of up to 99.9%. Strong nail holding power, good moisture resistance, and excellent bending, compressive and stability properties. Kangjing board uses MDI ecological formaldehyde-free glue. Kangjing board cannot be used for complex shapes, and can only be used for straight edges and circular arcs. Particle board is also one of the most commonly used core materials. It is made of solid wood particles and made by directional planing technology, so the structure is very stable. The glue uses German Joet glue, which is recognized as an environmentally friendly glue in the world. The particle board core material has reached the new national standard E0 environmental protection level, and has excellent moisture resistance and bending and compressive resistance. It is often used for cabinet bodies with a thickness of 18 mm. Multilayer solid wood plywood has obtained the China Environmental Label Product Certification, and can withstand cold and heat cycle tests from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. Its strength and moisture resistance are much better than ordinary man-made boards. It is made of 11 layers of eucalyptus veneer and MDF arranged crisscrossly, and then pressed at high temperature and high pressure. Like Kangjing board, it cannot be used for complex shapes, and can only be used for straight edges and circular arcs. The surface flatness of medium-density fiberboard is very high, and it is suitable for making various shapes. It is often used to make shaped door panels. It is formed by separating wood or plant fibers mechanically and chemically, and then forming them under high temperature and high pressure. Because the wood particles are small, the nail holding power is poor, and it is easy to swell when absorbing water. So it is not suitable for use in humid places. By combining different core materials and surface treatment processes, we can obtain door panels with different properties. They are melamine panel, fireproof door panel, flat door, wrapped door, crystal door panel, and the most common PVC door panel. Melamine door panel has two effects: high gloss and matte. It is made of melamine finish under high temperature and high pressure. It looks simple and generous, and is suitable for modern and simple style furniture. Fireproof door panel has a glossy and shiny silver effect to choose from. It is treated with fireproof decorative paper under high temperature and high pressure. It not only has good fireproof performance, but also looks beautiful. It is suitable for kitchens and other places that require fireproof performance. Flat door panel has two effects: high gloss and matte. It adopts PET flat, or wrapping process, and acrylic high gloss. The surface is smooth and flat, suitable for various styles of furniture. The wrapped door panel adopts PP wrapping French frame, or PVC wrapping film 45-degree frame process. No need for edge banding. The appearance is exquisite, suitable for European-style furniture. Crystal door panel adopts UV paint curing process. The surface has high gloss and looks very high grade, suitable for modern light luxury style furniture. The plastic door panel also has two effects, glossy and matte. It adopts PVC film vacuum adsorption process. No need for edge banding, and has a variety of colors and textures, suitable for various styles of furniture. This is the code corresponding to the SUNPINA board. It can be seen in the software system, which is convenient for everyone to identify and choose. The introduction of the board is here. If you want to know more, or have any questions, please feel free to ask. Next, we will start to introduce common hardware. SUNPINA uses Hettich hinges, which is a German brand founded in 1888. It is one of the world's largest furniture accessories manufacturers with excellent quality. Hettich hinges in our product system basically cover all cabinet applications. In addition to imported hinges, our domestic damped integrated hinges are produced by DTC Furniture Hardware. It has the characteristics of two-stage buffering, silent slow closing, anti-corrosion and anti-rust, smooth and unobstructed, long service life, and smooth opening and closing. It is very cost-effective. The supporting parts mainly include tatami support, flip door gas pressure support, and buffer folding rack. Tatami support parts include lamp, susper and ordinary tatami support. Flip door gas pressure support includes mini gas support, flip down gas support, YS friction tip-on support, etc. The buffer folding rack is mainly used to support the folding tabletop. 4 different drawers, We have different guide rails to choose from. The most common are ordinary 3-section guide rails and damped guide rails with buffer. In addition, there are hidden damped guide rails, which are more simple and beautiful to use, and some special function guide rails, such as keyboard drawer guide rails and heavy-duty guide rails. For kitchen drawers, we prefer Hettich imported steel drawers with 18 mm drawer bottom plate. Domestic 3-section guide rails and ordinary Hettich steel drawers without damping. Hettich luxury steel drawers with damping buffer. Smooth pulling. And the side panel is an integrated composite steel. Kitchen pull baskets are divided into 3 series with different price positioning, namely Classic Series, Platinum Series and Supreme Series. The Classic Series base material is treated with nano-dry plating 4 layers. The Platinum Series base material is treated with 202 stainless steel electroplating. And the Supreme Series base material is Q195 carbon steel treated with nano-dry plating. Strong durability. Very good anti-corrosion and anti-rust performance. The maximum load-bearing capacity can reach 30 kilograms. There are 3 types of kitchen sink, which are integrated basin, welded basin and handmade basin. All are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. The integrated basin has a variety of styles and affordable prices. The welded basin is made by stretching and welding 2 single grooves to the same panel and then processing it. It can be brushed or embossed with rich shapes. The handmade basin is made of stainless steel plate bent and welded purely by hand. It has high density and thickness and is more durable. Boards and hardware are the foundation of custom furniture. Understanding their characteristics and craftsmanship can help us better introduce our products. I hope that everyone can use these knowledge flexibly in future work to provide better services to customers. Today's explanation is here. Thank you for listening.